यूं तो दुनिया में अरबों खरबों इंसान है, मगर वही सही इंसान है जो इंसानों को काम आए। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। नाज़रीन, कैसे हो? अल्लाह की ज़ात से उम्मीद है कि सब खैरियत से रहेंगे। खुशखबरी है, खुशी की बात है कि नौहिरा शेख को बेल कैंसिल हो गई है। कोर्ट ने आर्डर दी है कि 2 हफ्ते के अंदर अंदर सरेंडर करना है। बेल नौहिरा शेख की कैंसिलेशन हो गई है। 2 हफ्ते के अंदर अपने आप को सरेंडर करना है। अगर 2 हफ्ते के अंदर नौहिरा शेख सरेंडर नहीं होती है तो ज़बरदस्ती जो है उसको घसीट कर ले जाएंगे और जेल में डाल देंगे। ये जो है कंप्लेनर्स की तरफ से जो लोग मेहनत किए हैं, अल्लाह उन्हें जज़ाए खैर दे। हमारे यूनुस साहब हैं और चांद भाई हैं, हमारे आखिल साहब हैं और नौमान कुरैशी हैं, और जितने भी लोग कंप्लेनर्स की तरफ से मेहनत करते हुए आए हैं उनकी मेहनत रंग लाई है। और जो है ईडी के अटैचमेंट में नौहिरा शेख का घर भी था, वो भी जो है बतौर इजाज़त उसको रहने के लिए कहा गया है। आज जो है इंशाअल्लाहुल अज़ीज़ दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो चुका है। नौहिरा शेख का घर भी छीन लिया जाएगा। ये सब कुछ अल्लाह की तरफ से हुआ है कि भाई नौहिरा शेख पैसे भी नहीं दे रही है और आज़ाद घूम रही है, अपनी मर्जी की ज़िंदगी जी रही है, बेकार जगहों पे पैसे खर्च कर रही है पानी की तरह। इसलिए कि कोई आदमी मेहनत करके कमाता है ना, वो पैसे खर्च करने में तकलीफ होती है। बगैर मेहनत के किसी के माल को हड़प करके खर्च करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं, कोई तकलीफ नहीं। नौहिरा शेख भी ऐसे ही कर रही थी, अपनी प्रॉपर्टी जमा करके ये समझ रही थी कि ये सब कुछ मेरा है। इस गफलत में पड़ी हुई थी तो अल्लाह की लाठी पड़ी है। आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट के अंदर कोर्ट नंबर 10 में पूरा सुनवाई हुआ है। नौहिरा शेख के लायर ने, रंजीत साहब ने बहुत सारे बातें इधर की उधर की करी, तो जज साहब ने एक ही बात कही कि वेयर इज़ द मनी, पैसे कहाँ है? जो पैसे भरने के लिए कहा गया था वो पैसे ले के क्यों नहीं आए? बार बार जज साहब यही पूछ रहे थे कि पैसे कहाँ है। जब इधर की उधर की बात उन्होंने कहना शुरू कर दी तो फैसला कर दिया कि तुम्हारी बेल कैंसिल है, 2 हफ्ते के अंदर अपने आप को सरेंडर कर दो। तो दोस्तों, जो लोग बहुत दिनों से तरस रहे थे, तड़प रहे थे, कि दुआएं मांग रहे थे, कि इंतज़ार कर रहे थे कि किसी भी तरह पैसे आ जाएं, जिन लोगों को पैसा नहीं मिल रहा था तो उनको ये भी तकलीफ थी कि इतने सारे पैसे दबा करके नौहिरा शेख आज़ाद घूम रही है, अपनी मर्जी की जो है ज़िंदगी जी रही है, अय्याशियों में उसके आल औलाद खुशियों के साथ 5 स्टार होटलों में और बड़े बड़े गाड़ियों में घूम रही हैं। ये भी तकलीफ पहुंच रही थी इन्वेस्टरों को। तो ये अल्लाह के तरफ से हुआ है। और नौहिरा शेख ने कहा था कि इसको शर्म भी नहीं, अल्लाह माफ़ फरमाए, कैसी औरत है कि 580 करोड़ पैसे भरने के लिए कहा गया तो इसने जो है कुछ लोगों को साथ में बायर्स के तौर पर ला ली और कहती है कि 4 इंस्टॉलमेंट में पैसे भरूंगी। खेल तमाशा है, हंसी मजाक है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट के साथ धोखा करने की कोशिश की तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने लाजवाब जवाब दे दिया। बेल कैंसिलेशन हो गया और 2 हफ्ते के अंदर अपने आप को सरेंडर करने के लिए कहा गया है कि ईडी के हिसाब से 6000 करोड़ का स्कैम हुआ है, जो उनके पास हिसाब है। इसके अंदर जो 2700 करोड़ नौहिरा शेख ने लोगों को दी है, बाकी के जो है 3300 करोड़ देना है। 3300 करोड़ कोई मामूली रकम नहीं है, छोटा मोटा रकम नहीं है, बहुत बड़ा स्कैम है। नौहिरा शेख समझ रही थी कि मैं फिर से जो है जीत जाऊंगी, निकल आ जाऊंगी, मेरी बात चलेगी, लेकिन अल्लाह का करना ऐसा हुआ कि नौहिरा शेख की कोई भी बात वहाँ चल नहीं पाई है। कि ये खुशी की बात है जो लोग मेहनत कर रहे थे कि उनकी मेहनत रंग लाई, कम से कम पैसे तो नहीं आए हैं, लेकिन तसल्ली बख्श बात ये तो मिली है कि नौहिरा शेख को जेल जाना है, जेल में सड़ना है। अब लाएगी नौहिरा शेख पैसे, अब लाकर भरेगी, मजबूर होके या ज़बरदस्ती या रजामंदी, जो भी तरीक़ा है वो तरीक़े को इख्तियार करके नौहिरा शेख को पैसे भरना पड़ेगा, वरना जेल में सड़ना पड़ेगा। तो दोस्तों कि इस सिलसिले में जो भी बात आगे आते रहेगी वो मैं जो है आपको शेयर करता रहूँगा, अपडेट देता रहूँगा। जो कुछ भी बात कोर्ट के अंदर हुई है ये सीधे सीधे जो है दिखा नहीं सकते, इसलिए कि मना है। तो मैं जो है मस करके उसके ऊपर फ़िल्टर लगा के पूरा वीडियो जो कोर्ट के अंदर हुआ है वो बातें आप सुन सकते हैं। वीडियो के आखिर में पूरी की पूरी वीडियो जो है अटैच करने वाला हूँ, आप सुन लीजिए ताकि आपको भरोसा मिल सके जो कुछ भी बात हुई है। जज साहब ने बार बार यही कहते रहे कि जो है वेयर इज़ द मनी, पैसे कहाँ है। ये सब कहानियाँ बहुत हो चुके हैं, बहुत सुनाए हैं, हम बहुत सुन लिए हैं। अब सुनने का मौका नहीं है, सुनने की बात नहीं है, पैसे भरने का वक्त है, पैसे भरिए या नहीं तो जेल जाइए। ये दो ही बातें होते हैं। तो फैसला यही हुआ कि नए भरने की सूरत हाल में पैसे नौहिरा शेख को जेल में जाना पड़ेगा। 2 हफ्ते की मोहलत दी गई है। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। पूरी वीडियो जो है जो कोर्ट के अंदर हुई है आप सुनिए।
What we have not written is there are about 214 crores of unnotarized, which is also by notes in the process of being notarized. So about 700 crores out of my note said 580. And this was extra done, my note, because there was an exercise done so that there are many claims, because there are many counterparties who are trying to, my notes, now in my situation.
Where is the money?
My lord, just a minute, my lord.
Where is the money?
My lord, the money can be given directly to the account of the what Supreme Court will say, because otherwise, till the time we have written to the ED says till the time Supreme Court says, my lord, it cannot be done within 6 weeks, my lord.
ED is not.
Please understand, this is, my lord,
So where is he expected to deposit this amount?
Yes, my lord.
Raju?
Kindly have a look at the order, my lord.
We have the order with us. We have said that you have to raise funds to the tune of rupees
At
5.
the next date of hearing.
Right?
Deposit in the court or give it to the SFIO.
Second, we said that you provide us a list of all immovable properties free of all encumbrances.
Not provided.
And also those properties where some claims have been put forward.
Not
Where is the list?
Yes, my lord. There is the list.
Have you given a copy to Mr.
No.
Raju?
My lords, actually, I tell you, my lords, the reason is there was time was less, there was paging and all, there were difficulties. My lord, it took a long time to get this list, which is absolutely unencumbered, my lords. And at item 77.
So now,
Yes, my lord.
two things. Let Mr. Raju look into this information which you have furnished today as regards the parcels of land owned
Yes,
by
ma'am.
the company, free of all encumbrances, and also those properties where you have created some
Yes, my lord.
interest or charge.
Two more things.
One,
My lords, one is that irrespective of this money, I am also taking undertaking, and when petitioner is here, my lords, to give an undertaking that any claim, just a minute, Mr.
It is not the complete list. It is the list of attached properties which the ED is having.
My lord, this is unencumbered properties.
With respect.
Items on the list.
There are other properties which are not attached.
We know that there are at least 2 passports this lady. We found out that there are 2 passports that the lady had.
then we dismiss the matter.
No, my lord, there is, my lord, allow me to speak, my lord. Before my lords are my lord's prejudice.
He is showing us her land.
My lord.
And wants your lordship to pass orders. We are suffering for last 4 years, 3 years.
Correct,
because of
My lord,
Correct.
my lord,
Attached property list.
they're all misprejudicing, my lord. Hear me out.
This one order.
She's been taking the court for a ride for a long time.
Now, can I, my lord, address?
By what time you will deposit this 580 crores? You have raised the funds, no?
My lord, can I now, my lord, say to you?
Yes or no?
Yes, my lord, we have rather
So
given a,
Tomorrow, or not, Monday you deposit this amount.
my lord, it can't be deposited in,
Why?
because, my lord, the people have given an earnest money and those checks are here. These are name, whatever accounts my lords will say, these, my lord, these are property.
Forget about all this. Allow us to pass an
My lords, can I,
That's, chalo.
so allow me to, my lords, have 1 minute of my lords,
Ah.
and then my lord may pass, my lords, because they have prejudice, my lords. My lord, 2 things, my lords.
They don't have the capacity to prejudice the two judges.
No, my lord, they're trying, my
So
lord.
don't make such.
I very well, my lord, I'm so sorry.
We are not so.
I'll withdraw my lords.
Do we have desire?
I'll withdraw my lords. I'll withdraw my comment, my lord. I will withdraw my comment and seek my lord apology for everybody. My lord, I am saying that have a committee which they also desired.
Last time who appeared?
My lord,
Mr. Ranjit Kumar appeared.
my lord, I did my lord, there was an exercise to
Where
be
is
done.
Mr. Ranjit Kumar today?
My lord, he is not here today, but
How
we
can
did
he
a
be
long
here?
exercise.
How will he be here?
My lord, we
How
did
will he be
no,
here?
no,
Last
we
time
did.
he had made a
No, this is an exercise we have been doing for 3 weeks, my lord, now.
Take down.
My lord, my team. My lord, all I'm just my lord, just one thing, my lord.
Nothing.
Thereafter, my lord,
Nothing.
please allow me that 1 minute, my lord, that I had sought, my lord. 1 minute, my lord. My lord, anybody. This is an in addition that we will deposit. Anybody.
What is this in your hands?
My lord, these are checks.
What checks?
My lord, earnest money checks that people, my lord, whom
Why
we have given a list.
checks to us?
My lord, that was still in my
The
hand.
big fraud committed with a check of
No, no.
Where is 580 crores which you have raised?
My lord, this is
Time
how.
period which we granted to you.
My lord, allow me to answer in 2 different ones. Number 1 and number 2.
Where is the money? Show us the color of the money, Mr. Counsel.
My lord, that is what the thing is, my lord, that I have raised this and my lord had given 6 weeks time
Must have
for
been
such a long time.
Against our land.
No, my lord.
I suspect.
My lord, this is a suspicion. My lord, may only say 2 things, my lord. Just 1 minute that I've sought, my lord.
Enough.
Only one thing, my lord.
Enough.
Thereafter, my lord will see if there's a prejudice.
762
My lord, only one thing, my lord.
762 of 2021. 2 appeals, right?
My lord, can I only say one thing, my lord?
And writ petition.
My lord, can I only say one thing?
Writ petition also, my.
Can I only say one
Which
thing?
Writ petition 31 of 2020.
My lord will allow us to.
Common karte.
My lords will allow us to say just one thing. My lord, perhaps it is going to help everybody, my lord.
No, it's not.
Just one statement, my lord.
Finished.
If one statement will help everybody, then I will.
What stakes?
Yes, my lord. My lord, I am saying, first of all, these are all unverified claims. I am ready to give the money to whosoever, my lords, come within 2 days, not even the 3rd day.
That's it.
To my lords, let there be, my lord, let there be a proper, because I am guilty. I am a victim of political, my lords.
This
I am a victim, my lords.
this court-
I am ready to give.
This court passed the following order on 23rd August 2024. Quote the entire order. The order referred to above, by our aforesaid order, we had made ourselves very abundantly clear that if the respondent accused is unable to raise the amount to the tune of rupees 580 crore, then we would dismiss the petition filed for clubbing of all the FIRs, invoking Article 32 of the Constitution. And the bail granted by this court would also be liable to be cancelled. Today, when the matter was taken up for hearing, learned counsel appearing for the respondent accused was not able to make any positive statement
Lords,
as regards the amount referred to as force.
My lord, we have made a statement that we have raised. My lord, we cannot sell the land. We cannot sell the land because it is attached. All I'm saying is, my lord had, if my lord will see the earlier order, my lord will have to permit that.
Don't interfere.
Lord, I'm making a
Enough,
positive statement.
enough, enough.
It is a, I'm sorry, my lord, but
Mr. Khan.
I'll bow, my lord. I'll bow, my lord. I'll say something later.
There seems to be no progress in the matter. In such circumstances, the Article 32 petition seeking clubbing of all the FIRs is hereby ordered to be dismissed. The SFIO shall now proceed further in accordance with law. The bail granted by this court
Manoj, he has already been 29 months jail.
stands cancelled.
My lord.
We grant 2 weeks' time to the respondent accused to surrender before the authority concerned. All the FIRs which have been registered in different states shall now be investigated in accordance with law. We leave it open for the Enforcement Directorate also to proceed further in accordance with law. With the aforesaid, all the petitions, all the captioned petitions stands disposed.
My lord, there are.
May I?
Manoj,
if I may I now say, my lord?
Number one, my lord, there are contempt proceedings which are pending that may remain, my lord, because he has committed cross contempt of this honorable court. Kindly have a look at this.
We have disposed of.
Not this person, there's a third person who's come forth and misled this honorable court, my lord. Therefore, contempt notice has been issued.
Contempt notice issued to whom?
Against one buyer, my lord, who
One
submitted
monastery.
submission before this court.
We clarify that there are some contempt proceedings also pending. The same shall remain before this.
Yes, my lord. And SFI has petition.
My lord, may I only say, with regard to bail?
I have not completed. SFI has also filed a petition saying that we'll only investigate the company law aspect of it. Other FIRs we need not investigate. That may be clarified. Because SFI under the
So
Companies
you
Act,
want SFIO to investigate what?
only the Company Act offence under 447.
That's all.
That's all. Other offences will be investigated by the local police.
We clarify that the SFIO shall investigate only offences relating to company law.
Yes.
Rest of the offences shall be investigated by
Respective police.
respective police officers.
That's a matter.
My lord, can I seek one clarification, my lord?
Great.
My lord, this honorable court.
My lord, can I get one clarification?
To look into all these details, there is a bill of the chartered accountant.
Beg your pardon, Mr. Raj.
This honorable court had appointed the SFI to look into the claims of all these persons. We have been looking at it, and for that purpose, this honorable court also permitted us to appoint a chartered accountant. Some remuneration payable to the 49
Who has
lakhs
to
are
pay this?
payable to the.
Maharaj,
Who has-
6 crore we have deposited.
SFI has to pay here.
Court's order,
deposit
we have
6 crores. After
deposited
that 6
here.
crores, we'll make that payment of 49 crores, 49 lakhs.
So from where shall this amount come?
My lord, we have all deposited that amount. We have deposited 6 crores for that purpose. Out of that,
How do we request you? How do we request you?
may I? Sorry. My lord asked.
Don't get so desperate. You are a professional. Exhibit professionalism.
Yeah, please.
Exhibit professionalism.
I-
You are appearing before the bench of the Supreme Court.
Yeah, please.
Don't make it any like a trial court or something.
Yeah, please, my lord. Sorry. My lord, sorry.
At least make us feel that we are now in the Supreme Court of India.
Yeah, please.
Initially, at the time when bail was granted.
Which is that order you are referring to by which
6,
chartered accountant was permitted to be appointed?
Yes, so many.
28th of October 2021. And periodically payments were being made.
You do one thing.
That 6 crores he has deposited.
Give us a note in this regard to the court master. Will look into it and
Very
we'll
good.
add it in the order.
If I may,
Well, there's one more thing, my lords. With the ED and the SED, we should be permitted to sell auction of the properties and make them.
So who is stopping you, Mr.
Very
Raju?
good.
Now we have not, everything is over, finished.
Manoj, if I may be permitted, Manoj, just one issue.
No, ED.
Others, sir.
Not ED's
Run away.
request.
He
ED's
has two
request.
passports that she had. So the ED must take action.
ED is not entitled to take action on
Or
passports.
SFI or whoever. Someone should that she has run away. You must comply with the order of the court.
Lord,
That's all I can say.
He's
There's a very
present.
powerful man standing on your right and also on your left. Right? Both will take care of
The
it.
most powerful.
If I may,
No, there is
just
one.
one issue, Manoj, I had filed an
What the
application.
legislature made. It is subject to our appeals before the appellate tribunal of ED, because our lands are sought to be sold by him, which ED has attached. So Lordships may not say anything about ED.
We are not going to.
That's-
say
that's-
anything further. All that we will like to add about that bill which has.
Yes,
That man must
agreed.
have worked.
Great.
Right? Okay. So you
Manoj,
give that
only-
note to
Manoj,
him.
Can I
only
make
one
a-
issue, Manoj, I
Okay.
had an
Humble-
application for a,
Can I make a humble request, my lord?
It's over now.
Can I make a humble request, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, so that it does not come in the way of my rights. All I'm saying is, my lord, my statement is that I've paid everybody. This is unverified claims. Allow me to continue to pay whoever my lords come.
Continue.
My lord, please observe, otherwise this will help me to pay. My lord, otherwise, not from the lands.
Today we are not going to observe anything further. Any further observation will unnecessarily create more
No,
complications.
only, my lord,
My lord.
otherwise there will be so many people I will not be able to pay, my lord.
My lord, with great respect, my lord.
My lord,
My lord,
I have undergone
Suo moto contempt, we have to take it.
I have undergone 29 months of
My
my lord's
lord, may allow
imprisonment,
me-
my lord. Otherwise, I'll not come out.
my lords may allow me to just speak
If
one
my
word.
lords will not give me that
My lord,
right,
there was an offence of 420 and she has already served 29 months, my lord.
If you
There
want
can't
to
be two
come out-
councils, my lord.
If you want to come out, you need to pay something. Right?
my lord, can my lords clarify that if
We have not said anything further. The aforesaid order shall not come in the way of the respondent accused if she wants to apply for bail afresh.
may I please, my lords? Yes.
There are two issues, Lord.
I am appearing for the state of Karnataka, Malas. I am being led by Mr. Devdutt Kamath. Because he is unavailable, Malas. I am seeking some accommodation for today.
No difficulty.
We are quite eager to hear this point of law involved.
This is part heard matter. And my lords have last time also observed on the request of state that this is entirely a legal issue which is to be decided.
Yes.
So my lords, unnecessarily it will only linger on the state's request to have a
So
council.
what do you want us to do?
My lords, I would request if my lords could proceed with the matter.
How much time will you all take?
Malas, may keep it on any other day.
How much time will
Malas, not more than 20 minutes or so. Malas, on behalf of
from your,
Will take about an hour
1 hour?
at the most. They have to learn. There are three issues. Okay. Second is the reference in Manju Surana, which is pending, and the third is the reference in Chandrababu Naidu, which is one is the 17-day reference, one is the 19 reference. So these are the three issues.
No, but reference will have to be decided by a bench.
Lord, yes, Lord. So I'm not